Do you know how to say I know in Japanese? This video gives you 4 tips to say it correctly. If you look up a dictionary, probably you will see the verb 知る. So, how do you say I know in a regular polite form? 知ります? No, we never use this expression. Instead, we say 知っています. Knowing is a state of having the knowledge in Japanese. Tip number 1, express language abilities. In English, to know is often used as having a knowledge of how to. People may say, I know Chinese, to mean I have the ability to comprehend and speak Chinese. How do you say it in Japanese? 中国語を知っています? No, we say 中国語がわかります. For language abilities, we use わかります. Tip number 2, when you want to express your skills. In English, to know is also used for skills. People may say, I know karate, to mean knowing how to demonstrate karate skills. But karateを知っています is incorrect way to say it in Japanese. We say, karate ができます. できます means being able to do in Japanese. Tip number 3, when you want to say, I know someone. I know Mrs. Tanaka, then you can say, 田中さんを知っています. But 知っています in Japanese can be used for superficial knowledge. If you really know the person well, then say, 田中さんをよく知っています. Tip number 4, don't use the past tense. If someone tells you something which was exactly how you thought it would be, then you may want to say, I knew it. But don't translate this directly into Japanese. We basically never say 知っていました. If your guess was correct, you may say そうだと思いました. If you already know the information, then you would say 知っています or わかっています. Only time you use the past tense is when you become aware of something for the first time. In this case, you would say 初めて知りました. I hope this video helped you to be able to say I know in different situations in Japanese. Thank you for watching.